We've been living in the limits of a 66 world, watching the pages of the story get furled. A truncated record, a frequency trap, walking through life with a hole in the map. But the council of man cannot hold back the tide of the ancient secrets they try to hide. Enoch and Jubilees are calling our name, and the heart of the people is catching the flame. It's unreal how he orchestrates the path we're on, from the deepest dark to the break of the dawn. A pattern in the numbers, a code in the light, waking our spirits and giving us sight. We're moving through the 22, complete organization, making all things new. It's the light of revelation, the perfection of the word, the voice of the restoration finally being heard. From the system of 66, we're breaking away into the 88 victory, the dawning of the day. Letters where the cosmos began, the blueprint of heaven, the higher plan. 22 chapters in the final scroll, the restoration of the body and the soul. 22,000 standing in the gate, the consecrated servants who refuse to wait. With a modern day Levites, stewards of the sound, building the sanctuary on holy ground. It's not just a community,